To stay safe on the road, your car's tires must be in good condition. It's crucial to understand the signs of unbalanced tires because of this. To avoid being caught off guard, you should also budget in advance for the cost of tire balancing. We discuss the warning signs that your tires are out of balance in this video. Along with showing you the typical tire balancing cost, we also look at what causes the imbalance. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Excessive vibrations at higher speeds. When the tires are out of balance, vibrations are most frequently felt. Even though some vibrations while driving are always normal, especially on roads with uneven surfaces, excessive vibrations are a red flag that something is wrong. When driving at higher speeds with unbalanced tires, the vibrations also get worse. Therefore, if you are traveling at 40 miles per hour, you might not feel anything. Nevertheless, once you reach 60 miles per hour or more, the vibrations might become intolerable. The vibrations could get so bad that the whole car would start to sway and spin out of control. The vehicle's steering may become difficult due to these vibrations. Even the shaking of the steering wheel may cause you to experience vibrations. Vehicle pulls to one side. Unbalanced tires are one of the main causes of your car pulling to one side, but there are many other potential causes as well. However, if a brake caliper is frozen or you have an underinflated tire on one side, you may find it difficult to control the car. Either way, it's simple to determine whether the issue is being caused by the unbalanced tires. Make sure the tires are inflated by looking at them. It's time to have them checked and balanced if they are. Higher road noise. Some vehicles are infamous for their road noise, while others keep it dead silent. However, all types of vehicles will experience excessive road noise if the tires are not balanced. You'll be able to tell when the road noise is unusual if you're used to driving in your car. In addition, more road noise may result from worn tires. So, before deciding what to do next, it's crucial to check the tires. If you have unbalanced tires, your fuel economy won't disappear from the face of the earth, but if you pay attention, you will notice a decline. Your engine has to work a little harder to keep everything moving, which reduces fuel efficiency. If you don't balance your tires, that's just one more place where you'll have to spend a little more money. Worn-out suspension and steering components. The deteriorated suspension and steering or the unbalanced tires, which comes first? It depends. The circumstance could take place either way. Occasionally, carrying on with the imbalance increases wear on these systems, resulting in component wear. Sometimes the situation is the opposite and the defective parts make the tires unbalanced. In either case, you must address both issues simultaneously to prevent further trouble. You might be dealing with faulty shocks, struts, bushings, or ball joints in the suspension system. However, the steering system is also prone to issues, particularly with the rack and pinion or tie rod. Faster tire wear. The typical tire lifespan is 3 to 5 years, or 45,000 to 75,000 miles. Yet there will be excessive wear if the tires are not balanced. You might discover that you need to rotate your tires more frequently, and that your tire costs are increasing. It makes sense to maintain the rubber with this maintenance task given the low cost of tire balancing. Causes. Unbalanced tires can happen for a variety of reasons. Here are a few to think about. Tire deflation can be brought on by cold air. Underinflation can cause excessive wear and can cause the balancing to be off if they are driven. Some tires have a balance issue right out of the factory. To balance the tires, weights are used. The weights may come off if you strike a speed bump, large pothole, curb, or any other object too forcefully. As a result of normal wear and tear and modifications to the tire's structure, the wheels become out of balance over time. How much does it cost to balance the tires? The average cost for balancing tires is about $15. The price is determined by the kind of car you drive and the location of the balancing. Most tire shops, car dealerships, and auto care facilities like Walmart offer this service. You might not have to pay anything extra if you choose to purchase extended service plans from some businesses along with your new tires. The tire balancing process is quick and efficient. Your wheel and tire are mounted on a tire balancing device, which measures the wheel and tire to identify the lighter and heavier areas. The weight discrepancies are evened out by adjustments. Since the wheels and tires are already off the vehicle, it is advantageous to have this done at the same time as tire rotation. Hope the information was useful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.